nice day in Kyoto today. We are going to our traditional tea ceremony where we're going to dress up in kimono. Coincidentally, it's also Culture Day in Japan today, so it's quite a nice day to be doing something like this. But we're heading over to the Gion district now. We'll have a little look around and then we're heading to our tea ceremony for 1 PM. So we'll update you when we get there. Crazy busy.
Building, so it's not far away, okay? And from here you can see the kimono sign, okay? So you won't miss.
So we've been given some instructions to head to get our kimonos, so we're on the way over to there now. handsome.
Whoa.
I've already eaten it, but it was like rice with the chili on it. They're spicy. Nice one. Wow, the amount of people here is wild. It's almost 6 o'clock. We're going to return the kimonos now, but it's been a very fun day. Yeah. So we're back to looking like mere mortals, and I'm just taking the clips out of my hair. There's a lot of them. But today was very, very fun. Did you have a good time?
I loved it. It was great. It was a good experience.
So we're gonna head back now and get some food, and then probably just head home. And that's,
You start tomorrow.
yeah, and we're going on a day trip tomorrow, so we'll be up really early. But it's been very fun today.